Hi guys, I'm Sarah with WTI, and I have here with me the Seiji Apparel scarf that I think has been wonderful to use. This is a nice color as well. It's so practical and versatile. I find that it's lightweight and it's also very good quality, as you can see. It's so beautiful, so soft. It's lasted for some time and it hasn't worn out at all. And I love how I can use it in so many different ways. So I want to show you here. Really awesome size, really perfect to just wear it as a scarf, or if I want to wear it even as a pashmina as well. Keeps me so nice and cozy, which is great. So if you are looking for a scarf for yourself or either to gift, I would definitely recommend this one here. I think it's been a really good purchase, and that's my point of view.